Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna jump right into it, but today's video is in collaboration with my friend here on YouTube, Yesenia from Yesi Life and Style. She will also be posting a morning cleaning routine, so definitely go check her out if you need some more cleaning motivation. I will have everything linked down below, and I will just let the music play and let you get motivated. But please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.
I know. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight. Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight. I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. Making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river. picture. Paint by numbers isn't how I wanted to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold.
I'm standing outside the window. I'm standing outside the